Welcome to Chapter 4, Beetle with HuskyLens 2, Pose Recognition. In this chapter, we will learn how to use body poses to control the Beetle robot. By the end of this video, you'll be able to move the robot using simple body movements. First, power on the HuskyLens 2. On the touchscreen menu, swipe and select Pose Recognition mode. This mode allows the camera to detect different human body poses. Next, we need to train the body poses. Stand in front of the camera and make a clear pose, such as hand up. Press and hold the Learn button on the top right while keeping the pose still, so HuskyLens 2 can capture it clearly. Release the button to save the pose. Repeat this for more poses like hand down, hand left, hand right, or hands crossed. Make sure your whole body is visible and the pose is clear. Now, connect your Beetle to your laptop using the USB cable, and turn it on. Next, click the MakeCode link provided in the tutorial page. This will open the project in MakeCode. Click Download to upload the code to the Beetle. Once the download is complete, the program will run automatically. Now it's time to test the pose recognition. Stand in front of the HuskyLens 2 and perform the trained body poses. You can also try showing a printed picture or image on a screen. When a specific pose ID is detected, the robot will perform a specific movement. When pose ID 1 is detected, the Beetle moves forward. When pose ID 2 is detected, the robot moves backward. If pose ID 3 is detected, the robot turns left. And when pose ID 4 is detected, the robot turns right. If no pose is detected, the robot will stop. You've successfully learned how to control the Beetle using pose recognition. Try creating your own poses and customizing the robot's movements. For step-by-step instructions and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.